What's up guys, me Marcus, and tomorrow night we're gonna get some Journey Together packs and some Blooming Waters. So we're gonna sleep early so we can get some, and hopefully we're gonna be there, no punch-ons or anything, and see you guys there.
Bye bye.
Guys, we're here at Watergardens right now. Right now there's like not really any people here. So at this rate we're gonna get some Journey Together. Hopefully some Blooming Waters as well. We're also gonna check Kmart as well if there's gonna be any stock there. But hopefully we'll show you guys if we get anything. So see ya. By the way, if you're wondering where Chase is right now, it's 4 in the morning. Of course he's not gonna wake up, and he's sleeping tight in his bedroom while we're staying in the car waiting until 9. So that's where Chase is, by the way. Okay, so we're at Toymate right now. We got decent amount of people. Look at this guy. It's only you guys gonna watch anyways. So what time is it now?
Game time.
Game time. Yeah, 2 hours until we can get some Journey Together, some Blooming Waters, maybe. Okay, we'll see you guys. Should we walk past? Yeah, you too. Hello.
Same old stuff.
Here's the update, guys. Just a bit more people. Not much today. Here's your dad, Johnny. It's daytime now. It's daytime. It's daytime now. Still open until 1 more hour. But we're hanging in there. And I don't know who that guy is. Go, say bye, say bye. What's up, guys? It's about 30 minutes until opening. The line's going all the way to the pet store. All the way down. All the way to Pet Barn. Before it was only to the bin. But now lights are open. Hopefully we're gonna rush in there. Probably get some good stuff. Heard there's only like 4 ETBs, so hopefully you get one.
Not just you.
A squared and 2 EXs.
Guys, try recreating that. Try recreating that. Oh my god, so identical.
Huh? Nah. False alarm. Wrong key. There's lots of suspense.
Not running, just walk.
If I get nothing, I'm like, nigga, I'll be fucked.
Ooh, yeah.
10 people at a time.
I'm 11.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah. Why does it smell like gum in here? Oh. Yo, look at it. Hey Daddy, I get one of everything too, yeah. Just one blooming waters? See, look how much Charizards there are. It's a joke. 130. The Charizard. See, look, even more at the bottom.
140. Boost the bundle.
Just the booster. Where's the booster? Oh.
Blooming waters.
There's only 2 surging sparks.
Okay, so altogether for these,
Marcus.
as well, do you guys have membership?
Oh my god!
Did you get all the same?
Then, so which one do I get?
Get the ETB there.
ETB?
Yeah.
What if there's no more ETB?
No, do it.
No?
And get the booster bundle for. Lucky. One. That's alright.
Okay, we just finished from Toymate. Got a pickup, so we got. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Got booster bundle. 1 Journey Together booster bundle, 6 packs. You all know. And then we got ETB. Got an ETB.
2 of them.
2 of them, yeah. We got 2 of them. This is release day of from Australia, yeah, in Australia.
So you can see it.
And then we got all the way. Like I'm not gonna hold it, but we got the blooming waters right there, the one and only. So we're probably gonna keep that. We're probably not gonna get another one. So we'll meet back at home. Still Chase because he was sleeping, of course. We'll get his reaction and we'll see. Okay, we're at a different place now. We're gonna try at Kmart, try to get some single boosters, but hopefully we already got our luck. We got 1 blooming waters, 2 ETBs, and 1 booster bundle. If there's no singles, I'm already happy with that. But we're at Watergardens right now. Hopefully we get something. Yeah, I know. Still pretty early, so yeah. pretty dead in here, not gonna lie. I have never. Oh look, look at Uncle Janelle. It's right there. It's my toilet. Did you check yet? No. Nah. How long have you been in there? Okay, this recording. Nothing?
Really? Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go pick up.
So there's nothing in there. Okay guys, so there's no luck at Kmart. Better just go home. But we did get Blue Waters, 2 ETBs, booster bundle. So pretty much happy with that. Maybe we'll go Caroline Springs, try to find some. But yeah, I haven't eaten breakfast, so probably just go there. Just go home. But see you guys, if we're gonna open some, you'll see the next clip, which is gonna be there. And see ya. Okay guys, so we're gonna go Caroline Springs now. We just went home to get some breakfast, but we're gonna try to get some blister packs now, some singles, and hopefully there are some. So, see you there. Okay, we're here at Caroline Springs now. We're gonna check out EB Games.
Pick up our
Yeah, pick up our blister packs. So yeah. So hopefully there's other stuff too. I'll be sick. But we're gonna check out now. No, he's facing this way now. Facing this way now. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, there's nothing for Pokemon. All sold out.
Yeah, if you've got the text, then. Alright, if that's the case, then yeah, I can release it. Oh, yeah.
And nothing for Pokemon. The Green Ninja's still there though. Oh, still a Crown UPC too. Charizard, that's dead. They have singles here now too. But nothing, only Stellar Crown. Pretty dead so far. This is Chase's favorite. This one. Chase's favorite. Oh, pretty bro. Oh, these are sick. These are sick. Looks comfy too. But we're gonna get some bliss packs. Oh, look at it. Oh, right there. Oh, 1,000.
I managed to get some, but I think
Alright, mate, let's get this in there over. Thank you so much, everyone.
I'm gonna pre-order things.
Yeah, easy. Well, what's the email gonna be?
0420
Yeah.
478
Yeah.
214.
The journeys?
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful.
Journey together. Okay, see you when we get the packs.
And
Oh,
there
there's
you
our
go.
packs.
Thank you so much.
Have fun,
Thank you,
guys.
thank you.
Good luck with the opens.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Let me see. Oh. So the packs, the cards here. So hopefully we get either ends first round. So Kmart, ends first round,
Lily's Caferi. Um, what else is there? Lily's. Oh, what else is there? Isn't it Journey Together? Oh, Iona's Belly Ball. Belly Ball, yeah. So hopefully we get those. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 10 packs. Hopefully, there's something. Well, we're gonna check Kmart right now. We're gonna check Kmart. Last Kmart at Watergardens, nothing. But hopefully here there's something. Yeah, at Caroline Springs. If not, oh, bad luck. We'll show you then. We're almost there. Right here, service. Hopefully, can ask. Oh, no, I don't think so. Oh, there's some. Journey Together. Nothing here. Empty box of Charizard. But as you can see there's some 4 packs of Journey Together. Yeah, I don't know if we're getting it. The guy there, he got the other ones. Hopefully we get some. There's 4 there.
Is it 4 only?
Yeah, there's 4 only.
Then the
Yeah,
guy's gonna get it.
the other guy's gonna get it. Hopefully he saves us some. If you could hear me. 4 or 5. Nah, he's gonna get set. Can I have 4? Oh, he's asking for the ETBs. No, he's asking. Please. Oh, there's no more. Oh, no more. What else is there? There's nothing. Oh no, he took 5. There's more?
Only 5 each.
5 each? Oh, yes. They might be at the back.
The 5 per person?
Yes.
Okay. Is it 5 each?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Pay separately.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our packs. 5 each. 5
You
each.
don't. Huh?
5 each. Look.
Yeah, no, hold it.
Oh.
Just say you got 10.
Now we got 10. Oh my gosh. Thank you. So you got 10 for
Yeah.
stock
Yeah.
and then 10 for opening. So you see that? But the blisters look really cool. I like the blue on it. But we'll see you when we open the packs. So guys, this is the finished product of our shopping spree. We got 10 packs Journey Together. This is the one we're gonna open for the video. We got Journey Together booster bundle, 6 packs. 2 Journey Together ETBs. Comes with 9 packs each, so 18 packs right there. This is for the sealed collection. We just picked this up now. We weren't supposed to get this, but 10 packs of the single pack blisters. It was five packs per person, so that was pretty good. And then last but not least, the Holy Grail, Blooming Waters 151. Look how huge that is, bro. Oh my days! Like, see, look, this is pretty big. Look at it next to it. Oh my days! But hope you like the video. Stay tuned. So hope you like the video. We'll do some openings of the packs I showed, but stay tuned for more.